Exclusively Contents uses the 3 C's of the content recovery process: care, custody, and control. Exclusively Contents works diligently to streamline, organize, and systemize the contents recovery process. We are dedicated to meeting the needs of insurers and remediation service contractors. We take a modern-day approach to contents restoration. We have modern, state-of-the-industry tools and use good old-fashioned care of personal contents too. We use ultrasonic cleaning equipment, allowing us to process multiple contents items at the same time. Using ultrasonic restoration technology also allows our experts to recover items previously thought to be impossible to restore. We can also restore most electronic equipment back to working order. Soft contents are a part of every pack-out, and we provide specialty services like smoke removal from clothing, upholstery, and furniture in our certified deodorization sealed chamber room. Exclusively Contents also has the capability to restore delicate and specialty items, including antiques. We are trusted with the inventory and tracking of some of the biggest, most important jobs in our state. The next time you're in need of a contents restoration service professional, we invite you to give us a call. We look forward to serving you.